how to fix iPhone not working after iOS 26 update. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So if you're struggling with your iPhone not working properly after the iOS 26 update, you're not alone. Today I'm going to help you troubleshoot some common issues like unresponsive touch, uh, app crashes, and battery drain. So let's dive right in. First off, let's talk about some of the problems many users are facing. After updating to iOS 26, your touch screen is unresponsive at times, apps may not be working as they should, or even crashing unexpectedly. And of course, battery drain seems to be a big issue for a lot of us. So, now for troubleshooting, you can either try force restarting your phone. So, you can press the volume down button and the power button at the same time, and then press and hold until you see slide to power off, or you see the Apple logo. And then, now once you have force restarted your device, you can go to your settings and then go to general and go to software update. So make sure that all your apps are updated to the latest version, then come back and then scroll down and go to transfer or reset iPhone, and then go to reset and tap on reset all settings. This won't delete your data but will reset system settings. I hope these tips help you get your iPhone back to normal. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.